Do you ever feel like you are literally cleaning your mind and uncluttering your space by deleting old shit off your computer? What's up, my good vibe DJs and music lovers alike? So today I was making room on my computer because I'm always recording interviews, and I start to run out of space, and I don't want things to start getting all laggy. So there I am deleting all this stuff, and I find all of these hidden folders. Deep, dark, hidden folders in my computer that I'm going down memory lane. I am remembering things that I had basically buried in my past. So this ranges from pictures of ex-boyfriends to super old photos of me DJing at clubs that don't even exist anymore. And so as I'm going through and reminiscing and it's very nostalgic, I'm also deleting stuff because I'm just this does not serve me. I'm getting rid of this. And that felt amazing. But I also found all these old projects. I interviewed tons of different headlining acts like Mark Instinct and Freaky Flow. And I was going to take all of this footage and make this Canadian documentary of all these DJs. And I never did anything with it. And they just happened to be in the folders with certain ex-boyfriends. And I just thought, how interesting is it that at these times in my life, even though I had all these big dreams and all these things that I wanted to do, I wasn't doing them because of maybe this toxic relationship I was in at the time. It was taking so much of my energy, or other folders where I have tons of screenshots of harassment that I was saving just in case anything happened to me. It's there was this log of all these incidences that had happened, and it was just oh my goodness, this only further reminds me of why it is so freaking important that when drama is happening in your life, when relationships and friendships or business stuff is not serving you, let go of it. Go do something that you're passionate about. Get yourself back into the music. Get yourself back into why you are here in the first place. Don't let these people and these situations suck your freaking energy. And there was just something really therapeutic of both going and looking at that stuff and having that amazing reminder, as well as getting rid of it. Because again, it doesn't serve me. It has no space in my life anymore. I do not need that stuff chilling with me when that's not what my life even looks like at all anymore. But it was really, I don't know, it was really interesting. There was a lot of different emotions, but mostly positive. Just being able to look at it and be that shit does not reflect me. That shit does not have a space in my life right now, and I am so grateful for that. Yeah. And also it was kind of cool to see all these old flyers I made, which they were awful. They were so hilarious. But I give myself props for trying, and I give myself props for continuing to try to learn design more, because obviously what I'm putting out there nowadays is much better, including the videos. Some of the videos I edited were hilarious. And again, this other thing that happened, I used to edit and put videos out, and then get made fun of it. They're just you're dumb, or this video is ridiculous. And they were ridiculous, but they were still awesome because they were so raw. And some of those negative comments that were being made towards me and the things that I was doing, again, it was just, it didn't mean what they were saying. They were projecting. It didn't reflect what my intention was to hear what they were saying. And I just, again, I've cut that stuff out of my life. I haven't let those things influence me the way I might have used to. And I think I let them influence me very subconsciously. Like I didn't want to admit it at the time, but that did kind of cut me to my core, because I was still trying things out, and no, I didn't know what I was doing. But none of us know what we're doing when we first start doing this. I mean, I was looking at old videos of vlogs I did last year for Distracting News, and the content was key, but maybe the quality of the video wasn't as nice. But at the end of the day, it was like, what was the intention? The intention was to add value to other people's lives, to make them laugh, to make them think, to get them to ask themselves questions, to give them some tangible tools that they can use towards their career to better themselves. And maybe it would work for them, maybe it wouldn't, but the intention of trying to help people was there. And I think at the end of the day, that is the biggest thing. I remember having a conversation with Flipside in one of my first DJ Spotlight interviews. He was so lovely and took the opportunity to sit down with me. And he talked about intention and how important it is to like allow your intentions to show, to not worry about what other people are saying. Because whether somebody is telling you your work is amazing or they're telling you it's complete shit, like it's neither or. It's like it's their opinion and they're entitled to that opinion. But people's opinions isn't really, it's none of your business. I mean, if you want to ask people for feedback, some invaluable feedback, awesome. But I think we need to differentiate an opinion and feedback and what is good, bad, or just is, you know, what works for one person doesn't work for the other. And yeah, just going through my past, going through all that stuff, letting go of it, and like literally like erasing some of it because it doesn't serve me, was so therapeutic for me. And maybe it's because I've been meditating lately. Maybe it's because I'm trying to become more mindful. Like this book is just like right there. Oh my God, it has like the coolest little exercises to do in it. I just freaking love it. My friend Chrissy, she's amazing. She got it for me because she knew I was trying to become more mindful. Anyways, this video has a point, I'm sure. There's something. You'll find the intention in here. I just wanted to take a pause, talk about this experience. Hopefully the rest of y'all that are watching this will find something enlightening. I would actually love to hear from y'all. How are you decompressing? How are you letting go of the things that aren't serving you? What are you doing maybe in your life that you need to change so that you can refocus your energy on the things that make you passionate, that make you happy, that bring you such joy? Hashtag spark joy, because oh my God, that's totally what I'm doing. Cleaning house. I'm like, thank you for the experience, memory. I don't need you anymore though. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.